Justin Grinnell is our guest today. He's calling this one Scorecard. Justin Grinnell is the owner of the State of Fitness. The reason I called it Scorecard was because his new facility has been open since November. I had it down as 8 months, but that we did an interview. His previous interview 8 months ago was just before they opened. So right around there. And it's totally different. It's a totally different location. Justin, let's catch everybody up on, the move we just talked about a little bit with the fam, with Katie and the boys. But tell everybody, really, let's start it right from square one. You moved from Meridian Township, where you were for a long, long time, to where? Go ahead and tell everybody the story about that, please.
Yeah, so we moved from, we were in Meridian Township, East Lansing, right down the street from like the Meridian Mall, Playmakers, that area. And we're there for 13 years. We grew into the facility. It was beautiful. It's almost 11,000 square feet, probably a little bit too much for us. A lot of unused space. And after many makeovers of it, we just decided that, it's time to find something different. We had some trouble finding things in Meridian Township. We couldn't find the space we wanted because we were going to try to stay over there naturally because, our customers over there. But I knew in 2019 that this building, it was the Stamp-Right building, old building built in the 50s. It was a sign making building, a company that got bought out by another building or company. And it was a piece of junk, for lack of better terms. And long story short, we helped renovate it with Gillespie Group, and our space is about 4,800 square feet, and we have some storage in the basement. So we had to shrink down, and that has been, a challenge. Not, anything that would cause us to say, "Oh my gosh, we made a bad decision," but locker rooms are smaller, spacing's a little different. There's not as much freedom. You have to be a little bit more creative, but we have enough space, but that's one thing we learned is how to utilize space better. We learned how to keep our operations tighter. A lot of things are much more automatic. We don't have a front desk anymore. We have some kiosk stuff in front where people come in. But the cool thing is once someone walks in the door, people are right there to greet them anyway because we're not so big. And so it still has that kind of hometown feel where everybody's gonna be greeted no matter what. We just eliminated some things, and there's some space next door that we could accumulate down the road. And I have some ideas for that. Nothing in stone, but it's about 2,300 square feet. I have some good ideas for it.